Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. In the previous lesson, we learned how to print a document. Also, in the previous chapter, we learned the various page alignment and the other features of Microsoft Word. Today, we are going to learn an interesting part that is available in Microsoft Word called table. It is one of the most interesting features that is available in Microsoft Word. So what is table in Microsoft Word? A table is made up of rows and columns. A row is a horizontal series of cells in a table, and a column is a vertical series of cells in a table. And the small box that is created by the intersection of each row and column is called a cell. We can type our text inside these cells. Tables helps you to prepare reports. They are often used to organize and present the information, but they have also other uses. You can also use tables to align numbers in a column and then sort and perform calculations on them. You can also use tables to create different types of page layout. Let's check how we can create a table. So for creating a table, move the cursor or the insertion point. This blinking part is called insertion point. You have to move this insertion point where you want to insert the table. Suppose I am inserting the table at this place. Okay. So move the insertion point to the desired place where you want to insert the table. Then go to Insert tab. You can see the Insert tab here. Go to the Insert tab, and from the ribbon you can see the Tables option. Here click on the Table option drop down menu to add a table. From this place, select the desired number of rows and columns. Suppose here I am creating a table of 4 rows and 5 columns. So 4 rows and 5 columns, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and then click on it. So you can see a table is inserted. So let's check it again. Okay. Move to the cursor to the desired place where you want to insert the table. Suppose here I want to insert the table at the last of the document. So first move the insertion point where you want to insert, then go to the insert option. Then select the table from the ribbon. From here select the number of rows and columns you want to insert. This side you can select the number of rows, and this side you can select the number of columns. By using this menu, you can create a maximum 10 into 8 table where 10 columns will be there and 8 rows will be there. So make a table of 5 rows and 6 columns. So 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 6 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and click here. So you can see the table is inserted. This is useful when you want to create a table of maximum 10 into 8 grid. Okay. So if you want to insert more than 10 into 8 grid table, then you have to go for another option. For that, click on the Insert tab, go to Table option and then click the Insert Table option. At this place, you will get a dialog box of Insert Table. Here, you have to insert the number of columns and number of rows. Okay. Suppose I want the number of columns 12 and number of rows 4. After that, just click on the OK option. Now you can see a table is created with 12 columns and 4 rows. So you can insert table by two ways. One is go to Insert option, then click on the Table option, then select the default grid available up to 10 into 8, that is 10 columns and 8 rows. And the other option is click on the Insert option, then go to Table option in the ribbon and click on the Insert Table option. From here, select the desired number of columns and desired number of rows and then click on OK button. Next, how to insert data in a table. For inserting data in a table, just move your cursor to the desired cell where you want to insert the data. This is the first cell of the table. So I want to insert the data here. So click here and insert the desired data. Suppose I made this column for roll number. So I type ROLL roll and short form of number. Okay. Next one is name. Similarly, you can insert the data by just go to that particular cell and click on it to insert the data. So today we learned how to create a table and how to insert text within a table. So that's all for the day. Take care, stay safe and have a nice day.